All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, you're gonna see two different vehicles be built. Well, not really be built. You're gonna see a white Silverado that belongs to Trip, a friend of mine. He does a 9-inch McGaughys kit, 26x14 American Forces, and some Fury tires on there, 37s. The truck turns out absolutely phenomenal. Also in the video, you're gonna see me messing around with the Tahoe a lot. I'm getting ready for my 28s to come in, so I'm taking off my 26s right now. Or actually, I've already taken them off. In the video, you'll see that. They're sold, they're gone. I have 40-inch Gladiator X comps right now on some 20-inch Chevy wheels, which is called like the BUBBA look. I actually like it a lot, it rides really good, but 28s will be here in a couple of weeks. What's up, buddy?
Good, Jake, how are you?
Good, how are you? What'd you bring me?
Did I bring it? A 2022 Prius.
Man, that's perfect.
Hey, do you think y'all could install this for me while you're here?
Yes, sir. Cruising Coweta show is June 3rd.
Oh, this is the first set, actually.
It's 26x14. What's the name of this wheel?
American Force Chief.
The Chief?
Yeah.
That's new. It's awesome.
Listo, güero.
Well, my new tires came in today. This is actually the first time that I'll be announcing this, I guess, but I'm taking the 26s off the Tahoe and I'm putting some 28s on it. I've been wanting to do it for so long, I couldn't stand it anymore. So there you go, 38, 16, 50, 28 Fury MTs. That's the 35, 15, 50s that I currently have. There's the difference. I don't know how it's gonna work, to be honest with y'all. I'm gonna have to cut it a lot, but who cares, right? It's kind of crazy, to be honest, but hey, it's gonna work one way or the other. I may have to stack a leveling kit, which I'm so against doing, but screw it, I need the wheels on there. So stay tuned. Well, I guess we're gonna go ahead and get the Tahoe ready for the 28s. I've got new lower control arms for no reason. Leveling kit to fit the bigger tires. New shinier struts for no reason at all. My other ones are fine, they just look rusty. And then I got the new McGaughys upper control arms to go on it too. Give me 2 more inches of height. And not have to cut my bump stops out. Definitely bigger. I can see the height for sure. And I can also see the camber in the wheels, and I don't know if I like it. I guess it's not that bad, but when you've had something that's perfect for so long, a degree of camber to me is like, ugh. But we'll see. I'm gonna drive it for a couple days, see if I like it. My 28s are on the way from JTX, so whenever those get here, I think it'll look better. Never had anything squatted though. Might as well turn the rocket lights on, or the ring lights on too. Got my new upper control arms, new struts, new lower control arms with ball joints. I'm not sure where I left off in the last clip, but I had just told you that I put a 2-inch leveling kit on this truck, and yeah, I absolutely don't like it. I fixed it. Now it's a 1-inch leveling kit. I took an inch out of it, and it changed the drive. It drives so much better, so much softer now, and it looks a little better. It doesn't look like it's really anything added to the bottom. It's made by Suspension Max. It's pretty nice, subtle. And it kept the squat that I was looking for, and it still rides good. So it's awesome. I really like it. Well, I guess plans are going to change a little bit. I just sold the tires and wheels off the Tahoe, so it's about to go on some 40-inch Gladiator X comps and some 20-inch stocks. So this is the last drive that I'm going to get to make on 26x16s. My 28s will be in a couple weeks. I'm pretty excited, but big things happening. So. Well, that's pretty quick in and out in a day. The truck got here this morning about 8 o'clock, and this is what we got left at about 5 o'clock now. I think maybe 4:30 or so. Truck turned out absolutely beautiful. From the McGaughys lift kit all the way down to the American Force wheels that's on it. All right, so what we have here is 26x14 American Force. It's one of the flat face wheels. This new design actually clears the brake calipers on the new Silverados. They have that large brake caliper that really doesn't fit over anything. But if you can see these, they fit really good. So this one's for a buddy of mine, Trip. He's been a customer for longer, but you know, a lot of the customers end up being friends after a while. This is the second or third truck we've done for him, or worked on at least for him. He has a really good taste. Obviously, I like this white with the black trim, and it's got the chrome wheels on it. I really like when it's just the wheels being chrome. I feel like it takes a lot of energy away from the wheels whenever there's chrome all over the truck. Trip actually has a show called Cruisin' Coweta that's going to be coming up in June. I think it's June 3rd. It's going to be a huge show. I believe that he has it in Sonoya, but I may be wrong on that. Here's the information. Give him a follow on Instagram and a like on Facebook. Cruisin' Coweta. There'll be a bunch of trucks like this year. Last year he had the show the same day as the Rick Ross car show, and we got trapped inside the grounds at Rick Ross's house, so we couldn't go. But this year we're definitely going to be pulling up, and I know several other people that'll be there, so it's going to be a nice show. He went with the McGaughys 9-inch lift again, like he had on his last truck. Comes out flawless every time. Some American Forces here, a new design. This is one of the things you deal with when you wait for custom wheels. He got his wheels before he got his caps, which is not a problem, but he did order the floating American Force aluminum caps that technically I think this is supposed to be the first set ever on a 6-lug. So that's just what I've been told. But anyway, we really appreciate the business from him over and over and over again, and truck turned out absolutely beautiful. I hope he likes it when he gets here. He'll be here in about probably 20-30 minutes to get it. All right, so as you can see, the Tahoe wheels are sold. I've got the 40s on here for now. I'm kind of falling in love with the way they ride and drive and look and everything. I don't know why, but like 2-3 weeks, I'll have my 28s in, and it'll be a very, very good video then. But until that day, enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everything. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, whatever you want, at JT@Dig, at Southern Tire. I appreciate you watching, like I said.